What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to check the exact battery percentage of your AirPods on your iPhone or iPad. First, make sure your AirPods are inside their charging case and then open the lid. Hold the case close to your iPhone or iPad. After waiting a few seconds, you should see a pop-up on your device's screen showing the current battery levels of both your AirPods and the charging case. Another easy way to stay on top of your AirPods battery level is by using the batteries widget on your iPhone or iPad. To set this up on your home screen, press and hold an empty area on your screen until your apps start to wiggle. At the top left of your screen, tap the Edit button to access the widget gallery. Search for batteries, and then choose one of the battery widgets available in small, medium or large sizes. Once you add it, the widget will display the battery percentage of your AirPods and your connected devices. Keep in mind that the battery level of your charging case will only show if at least one AirPod is in the case. I hope this helps you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.